What is going on, guys? My name is Troy, and I want to apologize up front for the lack of production quality in this video. So this arrived today. I'm super excited. It's the Boring Company Flamethrower. Instructions with very nice colored pictures. I like that. So hopefully that'll be easy to use and understand. And then it looks like a note here from the Boring Company. so they can't send propane in the mail. So they've given me $5 to go buy a propane tank. How cool is that? That's awesome. I love that. Wow. Oh my god. Check that out. Holy shit. This looks super cool. First impressions of the Boring Company Flamethrower. This thing is pretty awesome. It has quite a bit of weight to it. I believe it's originally a airsoft rifle, all the plastic and stuff like that, but this feels much higher quality than any airsoft rifle that I've held, so that's pretty good. Obviously no airsoft components inside, that's all been replaced with the blowtorch and other components for the flamethrower. It holds, it says 11 inches by 3-inch diameter propane tanks right up here at the top, which then this just plugs right into. Underneath that you have the idle regulator, so you can get the idle flame correct on the nozzle there. This is your ignition, so obviously press that, lights up, and then your trigger right there. One thing kind of interesting that I noticed underneath the serial number is it does say version 001, which could mean they might make another one of these. That would be pretty sweet. So I don't have a propane tank quite the right size of this, but I think I have something I can put on here and light this up. Flamethrower.
I don't like that. No. You think it's real funny, but it's not.
No, it's hilarious. No, what's wrong with that?
Turn it off. I don't want to see that. Turn it off.
Okay, so that's my first experience with the Boring Company Flamethrower. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Holy